Yo, what's up guys? Trader Mayne here with a super quick Bitcoin update. So we've been trading in this same range for what feels like forever. It's been a little over a month. We've had multiple trades between the range lows and the range highs that we've taken and discussed. I'm leaning a little bearish now, and here's why. While we're still in a range, and I've just actually trimmed my range from here to here now, price has just contracted a little bit, makes it a little bit tighter. Is this most recent price action following this sweep. And what I mean by is if you look at this sweep here, we had a strong move for the next 2 days, retested the EQ, moved to the top of the range. And conversely, ran the range high, strong move, retested the range EQ, moved to the downside. What I don't like here is basically we had the big sweep, we ran into our first area of resistance, this 12-hour bearish order block, and we rejected. We also rejected right within the OTE of the smaller 12-hour range, which is a bearish range from here to here, right into there, big rejection. We put in low time frame bearishness at the level as well, which I shared on Twitter, right? We had 12-hour SFP here. We had our hourly SFP, which was the short trigger within that bearish zone. So I don't like the reaction we're having. I'm not saying it's over, but it definitely doesn't look good. And why I kind of had a post earlier yesterday, or it might have been the day before, of not really wanting to get super bullish, taking profit on my longs from here, some of it into here, was for this exact reason. We're in a range. You got to have range-bound profit-taking objectives. And until we clear here, there's no shot at 40. So as much as you might think you have longed the bottom, right, there's just as good of a chance that we see what we're seeing now, and you're round tripping that entire long position all the way back to break even. So bulls really want to see us get above here if we're going to have a chance to not just even test the range high again, but potentially move up into here, which is kind of where my target was, assuming we got above the mid-range here. Since we did not and we rejected, it does not look very good to me. It looks like we may be gearing up finally to break below this range, and at the very least come and run this low at around 28.5. So bulls really need to hold here going into the weekend. Doesn't look great, but we'll keep an eye on it.